Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your lock screen on Windows 10. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is open up your desktop. Once your desktop is open, what you're going to do is right click anywhere in the screen. We're going to be opening up the personalize option. Once this opens up, we should have a couple of different settings here we can play around with. In this case, we're going to be bringing our attention to the left panel here. And we're going to be looking for the lock screen option. Once this opens up, by default, it's probably going to be set on the Windows Spotlight. So that means it will change your pictures every couple of times you log on. What we're going to be doing is changing this to a drop down, and from this point you'll have the option to choose picture or slideshow. In this case, I'm going to be choosing picture as an example. And then from here you can choose any of the pictures that Windows sets here to be your lock screen. Or if you want to add a custom one, what you can do is click the browse button right here and then browse for and select whatever image you would like. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to change your lock screen on Windows. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you find these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.